Biko, if you're coming across this video, just do me a favor and share this very video. It's very, very important. Only eventually reveal to people. Imana, people, most people na-ekwusi na ndị ụka nwere obi ọjọọ, na ministry nwere obi ọjọọ, na ndị ụka nwere obi ọjọọ. Mana o dogo m anya today that no nwere some people na-ada eje ụka, some people na-ejekwa ụka bụkwa ndị content creators and ndị bloggers nwere obi ilu, nwere obi ọjọọ karịa ndị ahụ a na-ekwusi na ha na-eje ụka. Number one, you're a content creator, ịbụ a blogger. Iji buo video mmadụ na-abụrụ your video, react on the video, na-abụrụ nke go, ije ti ya right manager, na ije ti ya claiming na ogi nwe video, not your own video, and ebe isu ebute video a, onye ahụ etinyekwa ihe a na-akpọ right manager. O na-claim kwa video mana o just do it freely for everybody to access the page and also download and make use of the video. That is ihe a na-akpọ mmadụ inwe obi Chineke. Mana some bloggers get buo video mmadụ na-abụrụ video mmadụ because ị nwere follower, nwee fan base, ibuo video mmadụ ije ti ya right manager, claim bazi ad, ịmana onwe ya na-akpọ right manager, ije claim originality owner or content n'ọgwụ onwe. Facebook ya na-akwụzi gị nwe ụgwọ, na-ewekọrọ ego niile a na-akwụzi onye ọzọ, eme na ọgị nwa nwezie because na ị nwere right manager na onye nke ọzọ enwere right manager, and knowing fully well that you're not the owner of that very video. Now let me say about this thing. Many people want now about Zion war. We about Eddie Good to the core. Open a Zion ministry, the very bad as people may say, or not the very bad as people may think. A lot of content creators can demonetize your accounts. Now let me tell you how it will go. I went and checked their page on YouTube and on Facebook and every social media handle. Wherever I hear what if I right manager as big as that church, and I came to do my investigation and my findings. Where church but how much web right manager. Open na Zion ministry where right manager. Everybody need Hebrew video I got flag here na obrogi one with the video. I got flag as originality content or not you're not the owner of the content. Many videos are flagged today as a result of Hebrew video mother. Open a video Hebrew whenever an alright manager flag a video. At times it's my result to demonetization. At times it's my result to reduction of engagement. Engagement is the video about poor because once I flag a video goes engagement is about that. Man, I'm going to check this Zion minister of a thing. Ndini na pare Zion. Na ndị na-akọ Zion ọnụ, ma ndị na-ekwu nke ọma, ma ndị na-ekwu nke ọjọọ, onwebeghị onye a demonetized just because na gịnị ha nwa wepụrụ ife a na-akpọ right manager. Ọ bụ na Zion ministry tinye right manager today, ịkpa iwere any of their video kwuo okwu, Facebook will do what? Will demonetize you, or they will flag you, or any money you will make on that content will go straight to Zion. But I'm going to check if na Zion mere gịnị wepụrụ that right manager, so that you make your money while criticizing them, or you make your money while saying good about them. Other churches were right manager, other ministry were right manager, other big bloggers were right manager. Now let me tell you what is right manager. You cannot carry video of Sabinus and go free. Any money you make there, to gonna earn the money he make from his video because on a right manager. A lot of channels and right manager, just like channel TV we put their right manager, so that their video and their content can make it gonna go viral, gonna go far, so that people can have room for critics. Now there is a big one content creator like that which I choose not to mention his name. Man, and if but let me just save his face and his name. My own video mu mere njiaka mjebe interview of this guy Rolista. This guy Rolista mwa jaka mu the video me interview promote the guy. Over on my page, we 545,000 views. Now, this big content creator will just copy my page, copy my video, boom, kemo, copy my video, see who reacts here na the video. Now, on about any way, go about any view. Come on, get where if I know Biocha, or wait up on my waka, wait, tamper ban on my own page, J report to her, J over Facebook, no one about the original owner of video, while in no, member the interview na Abuja, na High Court. Where video ebe na release tinye somebody jeba je were tinye right manager na onye about the original content original owner Facebook bia flag that my video nwa where we put the video upon na nyama delete go the video still on my page affect. I have to delete that video. What am I saying? The same person here for kita ka na be post to Ife Zion nyama na ebu enisi bu video ni ne to no wa. He doesn't create his own video. He doesn't create his own content. No video ndị mmadụ go dey ebu. Ndị na-ebu video ha onwebeghị onye tinye right manager na video video of their own. Mana nye nwebuo video mmadụ fụ na onye ahụ buru video enweghị right manager. Oje tinye right manager, tinye content claim. Jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ na ọ dị mma. Mana chọọchị megharị ọnụ gị nwere ebu ụzọ gbaa chọọchị wụọ na chọọchị bụ ekwensu, na chọọchị bụ evu, na chọọchị bụ ekperima, na chọọchị bụ this, chọọchị bụ that. Mana ị na-eme ihe karịrị ihe ndị chọọchị a na-eme. Ị na-eme ife karịrị ihe ndị chọọchị na-eme. A whole ministry wepụtara their page free on the surface, on the space of internet, for everybody to come and download, for everybody to come and criticize, for everybody to come and say whatever they want to say, without the monetization, without flagging of their video, without anything. You want to be a content creator, you put a video, you just see a content claim. And you know fully well that is not your video. And that is the main reason why people chop na page with a right manager. They will stop coming to your page and download videos. It's high time I got to swap your job. Kita I'm manage here. Open as a ministry right manager na their page. Even my mom and everybody in the video I got flag on your but by the time I flag the mother na abanator or would you go see their video. But I believe they leave their space open so that people they can welcome critics and welcome and culture, and people will still eat from there. Thousands of people. Somebody, a friend of mine, actually make by us go make euro na Zion. No make you go so much money. Na Zion on about here another video na page here on ha gaga. Manoti had a video in the Zion ministry. No only engagement. Even last month, na one single video Bruna can Zion near $550. One single video. Not one, not a lot of content creators. If it does not carry Zion ministry news, whether good or bad, you will not have engagement. And the admin knows. The Evangelist Ebuka Obi, sisi hapwe, let people make money and eat. Na yes, dike. And madi mechakwa udihini na agwa. We right manager na page church. We prefer without demonetizing anybody, without content claim. Say like you will check their video. Still go to now, and you know fully well that you're making money from them. You know fully well, and your account demonetize. You will a video in the Zion ministry. Make equal money on top of their head, and tomorrow you call them scammers. Churchable scammers, churchable doing. Why you are reaping from the church, and the church has never, for one day, put their video right manager or claim your video or even flag your page. I name if I check. Tap Sunday. Can come if muta. They won't.